Good morning class, welcome back. We are in the chapter number 14, Natural Disaster. Yesterday, in the last class, we saw the meaning of natural disaster, what does natural disaster means. I've written it again, what does the natural disaster mean? A disaster or destruction which occurs naturally and causes loss to human life and property is called natural disaster. We saw some of the examples of natural disaster yesterday, and I took one of the example only, the earthquake. We saw how the earthquake takes place, and when there is a certain vibration in the earth, that is called earthquake. Then we saw the machine that is used for measuring the loss, or that is used for measuring the attack which the earth felt. That was called seismograph. And the magnitude of the earthquake was measured through Richter scale that ranges from 0 to 9. This was from the last day's portion. Today we are here to see a new topic that is called destructions and changes caused by earthquake. What are the basic destructions or what are the changes that takes place after the earthquake is occurred. An earthquake presents a heartbreaking sight. If you have ever come across an earthquake, or you must have seen in the televisions or the newspapers, the photos, or even there is a photograph over here, you can see how far the destruction is, how the destruction has caused a great loss to human life and the property. An earthquake presents a heartbreaking sight. It's a heartbreaking sight. We feel sorry when we see. It brings about destruction and changes in many ways. There are changes in many ways. The first one is the vibrations cause extensive damage on the surface of the earth. Now, all of a sudden there is a vibration. If you keep your mobile phones on table and on a vibration mode, it vibrates and changes its place. If you have kept it over here, by vibrating, it will move to the other side. Means a place of origin is lost. Same way happens to the earth. When there is a vibration, the building or all the premises gets collapsed. So it brings the end to the property and end to the human life, which at any cost is not revivable in a very near span of time. Buildings are destroyed and rails and roads are damaged. Our mountain slopes, landslides occur. All the means of communications are disturbed because everything survives on this planet Earth only. So whatever is the existence, if I'm standing on flat surface only. If there is no flat surface, all of a sudden there is a vibration, will I be able to stand? No. The moment I fall, the buildings will fall and there will be a destruction all around. Same thing happens when there is a natural disaster in the form of earthquake. Secondly, towns and cities are obliterated as a result of sudden strong tremors. Everything becomes messy. There is no as such thing to recall on. There is no as such thing to stand on. Everything is disturbed now. It's all because of earthquake, and this is the damage. Thirdly, when earthquakes originate near the coast, huge tidal waves cause submergence of land. As a result, some islands are permanently submerged and new islands are formed. Submerging is basically being drowned by the water. The state of being covered with water. When you are drowned with water, that is called submergence. Whenever near the tidal waves, whenever near the reverse tidal waves, the earthquakes occur, the water gets flourished into different areas and it covers all the respected areas which becomes watery. That is called submergence. The fourth is, many times earthquake cause landslide in hilly areas. the hill stations or the hilly areas wherever the earthquake takes place, it creates a landslide. For example, in Uttarakhand, in the year 2009 or that was the year when there was a landslide or when there was an earthquake in the Uttarakhand. So it completely disrupted or destroyed that place. The fifth thing, sometimes the earthquakes cause sudden and permanent change in rivers' course. There is a change in course here. Which direction to flow, they are flowing in the opposite direction. That is due to disruptions. The movement or the waves are changed now. And the last thing, 6.8, sudden uplift and a horizontal displacement of the Earth's crust sometimes reveal new sources of minerals which can be easily obtained and mined. Now, all of a sudden there is a crack or there is a breakage in the earth. Sometimes it gives a new sort of material, new sort of minerals which were hidden under the earth or the sphere of the earth. So these new minerals may be of some use, but it is late to discover unless and until the scientists or the climatologists or the different experts reveal of what use it is. So it may turn out, this is the positive point out of it, that it may turn out to be of some use to human beings. But where is the existence? If the existence ends, nothing is of use. I'll put a stop over here for you to just go through the meaning of seismograph. What is seismograph? Yesterday we had a discussion. So go through the meaning of seismograph and learn the key terms which is mentioned on page number 90 and 91. Tomorrow we will take another destruction, another disaster, that is volcanoes. Thank you, class.